sweet 16th. I woke up and my parents surprised me with flowers and my birthday gifts, and then I got ready and we went to a hotel to have breakfast buffet, and it was really good.
I broke the box by mistake.
I got a little GoPro as a gift, and it was my dream camera, so I'm so glad I got it. But I was filming with it a little bit in the video, but then I realized it was in a wide angle, so then I need to still learn how to use it. But then I switched to my phone for some of the video. But yeah, here's us walking, heading over for breakfast, which was really good. And then we went to a separate beach after and swam there. And then, yeah. This is me having a coconut lemon shot, I think, and my sister and I made yogurt bowls, like with all the ingredients they had there, but it didn't turn out that good. But then I had a lot of sausages and bacon and the eggs, and the sausages were so good. My sweet 16th. And for my birthday I got a GoPro, and I'm so happy about it. And it's like, it has like everything. It has lights and a microphone, because my old waterproof camera broke in the water, which is so sad, which I saved up for, so I'm so glad I got it. And I was not expecting it. And my sister got me these super cute pants, which I wore earlier today. But yeah, we went for breakfast at like a hotel that's near the beach, and it was really nice. It was like a buffet breakfast. And then we came to another beach, which is here, and just swam a lot in the sea, and it was so clear. Like, you could see the bottom of the sea when we went quite far out with our boards. And then, yeah, I don't know what we're doing for lunch yet. Yeah, me and my sister are gonna play chess. I'm not talking much in this video because I want to enjoy my birthday to the full extent without like recording and making it feel fake. But I'm just recording my real memories, and this is one of my favorite birthdays, and it was a really good one, and I can't believe I'm 16 now. There's a giant chess game here, so my sister and I are gonna play, and I'm filming on my phone now. I'm filming on my phone now because it's just easier to see myself for now, like to talk to the camera. But yeah.
Are you talking to me or the camera?
The camera. We went for lunch and I had a sandwich. I usually hate sandwiches, but this is the best one I've ever had. I am gluten-free, so I didn't eat much of the bread. I only ate the edge because I'm okay with gluten, but if I eat it too often, I get like joint pains. But it was so good. The sauce was so good. And then we came home and I stretched and did a workout kind of, and I just like spent time with my dog. And then I just told my dad to give me random exercise challenges because I was just bored at that moment and I wanted to do something active. But yeah, we just stayed home during this time. my shorts because it's easier to do an ab workout in it. And then my dad surprised me with this giant balloon that says, "Happy birthday, Jessica, sweet 16," which is so beautiful, and it's just a giant balloon, which is amazing, and I was so happy. So basically, we're back home for a while. Went out for breakfast, went to the beach, and had lunch. And I had a really good lunch because I didn't know where to go, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna pick the whatever place out of my 3 options. So I just picked the one that the rest of my family was like most okay with, and I had such a good lunch. Like, I had this toast, shashuka toast, but I changed the eggs for boiled eggs because I don't like uncooked eggs, like for poached eggs. But it was so good. The sauce was so good. I usually don't eat gluten. I didn't eat the toast, but I had like a few bites of the toast just to try it, and the sauce was so good. But I just remembered that like in the beginning of summer, maybe even 8 months ago, I wrote myself a letter for my 16th birthday. Don't read that. I wrote myself a letter for my 16th birthday 8 months ago, and I don't remember what it's about, so I'm excited to read it. I was going to read it in the morning, but I forgot. But every day I was excited to read it, and somehow I forgot today. So I'm not going to say it out loud because I don't know what it says. It's probably nothing serious. Like, still. This is so cute. I love this. Dear future self. I'm just going to read that. Okay, this was... I forgot if I put months first or dates first. So it was either in May or March, which is quite some time ago. Yeah, I would say months ago. I wrote, will I look different compared to now? Shorter or longer hair? I do not remember writing that, but I do have shorter hair, and this was like a week before my birthday I cut it, which is crazy. This is so cute. I love it. It's like, hope everything's working out for you. Don't overthink every decision. Hopefully you improve with like a bunch of things. And like, I wonder if we move to a new place or if we're spending winter in the snow. We didn't spend winter in the snow, but I still think this is cute. Went to the beach again, but we didn't swim this time. We just played volleyball, a little bit of frisbee. I played it with my sister mainly, and a bit with my dad, and my mom was just sitting at the picnic mat, but we had fun overall all together. And then we went to a place for dinner and went home and had cake, and they sang me happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you.